Update your subscriptions and services before moving so you keep continuous access to newspapers, meal kits, and other deliveries. Start by making a comprehensive list of every recurring service tied to your address, including print newspapers, meal kit deliveries, specialty food subscriptions, and local service contracts such as lawn care or waste pickup. For each service, locate the account settings page and update the delivery address and billing address at least 2 weeks before your move to avoid missed shipments and incorrect charges. If a provider offers a delivery suspension feature, use it to pause deliveries during transit days and set a specific resume date so you do not receive duplicate shipments at the new location. When online changes are not available, call the provider and request a written confirmation number you can record for your files and ask for the name of the agent handling the change. For memberships tied to physical branches like libraries or local clubs, notify the local branch so they can transfer your account or advise on returning equipment and registering at the new branch. For subscription boxes that rely on regional inventory, check expected ship dates and contact customer service to reroute or delay fulfillment if your move falls within their processing window. Common mistakes include assuming digital-only notifications will reach you at the old address, so verify both mailing and electronic contact information and update email and phone on file to avoid service denial. Another frequent issue is forgetting to change the billing address on payment methods, which triggers fraud alerts or declined charges. So update the billing address with your bank or card issuer and confirm recurring payments process successfully. People also overlook local services like lawn care or newspaper carriers that operate within specific delivery zones. Call those providers directly to arrange transfer of service or cancel with final service instructions so you do not pay for services that cannot be provided. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors by connecting you with professionals experienced in moving-related tasks like temporary storage, post-move cleaning, and property maintenance so our community can smooth the transition. We also help contractors find work through our listings and member discussions where homeowners and service providers share recommendations and timing tips,